Hi everyone. As AI proliferation continue to happen, one thing that when we speak to our customers and we ourselves when are looking at it, what kind of new roles are going to evolve and how does the whole job gets redesigned is a very important question that continues to play in everybody's mind. At Low Code Minds, we are seeing our own perspective on what potentially could change, and we broadly see them across four main categories, which is strategy and business integration at the engineering and operational levels, trust, governance, and accountability, and then people adoption and experience. So when you look at strategy and business integration, some of the new roles that we think potentially is needed would be an agentic process architect. That is absolutely required. And then we are seeing a need, even in our own projects that we have implemented, there is a need for an AI business translator. Essentially, their role is to be able to translate some of the technical jargons of what needs to accomplish, that can actually drive a meaningful impact in an organizational P&L. The second function of work, when we look at engineering and operations, we're seeing the need for a multi-agent systems engineer. That is becoming an increasingly required role. Reliability engineers, that is also a role that we're seeing, that is absolutely needed. Then also, somebody to be able to effectively create and design prompts, essentially a prompt designer, is going to be an important role in the future as well. The third most function of work that we see a change that could happen from a role perspective is the governance, trust, and compliance. With that, obviously we see there's an increasing need for an AI auditor. Trust is going to be an important one, so I see a need requirement for a trust lead. Then the third role that we're seeing is around AI or agentic AI risk and compliance, would be a very important role as these functions evolve with AI. And the last one, the function of work that we see is people adoption and change. When you're looking at that function, humans increasingly will have to interact with the AI and the agents. So there is a requirement for human to AI interaction coach or mentor is needed. Then the other role that we see is around the adoption itself, where the new AI capabilities are coming into the enterprise. There's a requirement for an adoption manager to help the organization adopt the new capabilities and platforms. And then finally, as you're building new agents, there is absolutely a need for an AI experience designer in terms of how you should actually create agents, the experience behind agents. So that's going to be a new role that we see. So when you look across the portfolio, there are some exciting new roles coming up. Some of them haven't been fully flushed out or thought through, but these are typically the type of areas where we see an opportunity for people to upskill and also learn new capabilities in the world of AI. Thank you.